Today I'm at the Brooklyn Bridge. This is one of America's oldest suspension bridges. It was completed in 1883, and in 1972 it was deemed a National Historic Civil Engineering Landmark. Let's go find out why.
At the time it opened, and for several years, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world, 50% longer than any previously built. On that first day, a total of 1,800 vehicles and 150,300 people crossed what was then the only land passage between Manhattan and Brooklyn. Each of the bridge's 4 supporting cables is 3,578 feet and 6 inches long, just over 15 inches thick, and contains 21,000 wires. That, combined, would have a total length of 14,000 miles. That's about 22,500 kilometers. The total length of the bridge is just under 2 kilometers, and it is 83 meters tall, so it's a rather impressive technical feat. The bridge itself weighs 14,680 tons, and of those, 6,620 tons are suspended in mid-air. The designer of the Brooklyn Bridge, a German immigrant by the name of John Roebling, designed a bridge and truss system that was 6 times as strong as he thought it needed to be. It's because of this that the Brooklyn Bridge is still standing, while many of the bridges built around the same time haven't lasted. After the 1965, 1977 and 2003 blackouts and the September 11 attacks, the bridge was used by people leaving Manhattan after the subway connecting the islands had stopped operating. The massive numbers of people on the bridge weren't expected by the original designer, but luckily, Roebling designed it with 3 separate systems, managing even the unanticipated structural stresses. Since the 1980s, this iconic construction has been floodlit at night to highlight its architectural features. Fun facts for the day: the Brooklyn Bridge has appeared in some rather climactic scenes in many movies, including 2 of my personal favorites, Cloverfield and The Dark Knight Rises.
Tomorrow I'm going to be in another secret location. You can find out all those clues on Good Up FM with Sean O between 3 and 6 on the O Zone. But until then, back to you guys in studio.